Watch what I make out of this old Jenga box. My kids ain't even gonna know it's missing. See, you take a quarter, you're gonna trace the outline of it. It's pretty good size for a decent man's hand ring. Or woman, you can make it smaller anytime, but bigger, you can't go back. And a quarter is the perfect thing to trace around. Get it in there real good because you're going to be handling this a lot. And you don't want to rub the pencil off or ink just from handling it. But you get it. Now we're going to go ahead and make a line right here just so we can cut it out in a square. I'm gonna show y'all how fast I can go. Watch this. Boy, y'all ain't fast like that. Okay, now here go our square. What we're gonna do is get a knife or something sharp and start twisting a little hole in the center, which is gonna be the start of our ring. Alright, now we finally made it through to the other side. Now go ahead and knock that on out. Now use some kind of circular file to file out the middle. I got this little bit with a set from Harbor Freight. Now the ring is pretty thick, so what I'm gonna do is like saw this in half. It's gonna look like a wedding band. It's gonna be a male wedding band and one for a lady, but only made out of wood. Yep, you might want to saw it in half. Get your two rings out of it. One for a man and one for a woman. Kind of like two wedding bands, but only made of wood. See, look at that. His and hers. Now, back to this little circular hole file. Like I said, you can pick this up at a Walmart or any place or Harbor Freight. Comes in a set most of the time, but I don't know what this is. A rod file, circle file, something. Almost fits. I cheated a little bit. I cut the camera off while I did some of this fouling. Look at that. Perfect fit. I know you guys didn't want to sit here and watch me do all this fouling. Alright, now get you a little sandpaper and smooth out your little edges. Make the ring more round for a comfort fit. Alright, now it looks like we're ready for some stain. It still fits nicely. Of course it would. I made it. Alright, what I'm going to do is use a little dark satin. Now you want to find you like a little wire or something, maybe an old piece of electrical wire. This something not too big because you want the ring to get good and coated as possible, and you want to hang it dry. You don't want to lay it flat. You want to hang it dry. Alright, let's hang it dry just like this here. And some camera magic. We'll be back when it's dry. It's dry now. Now we're going to put the finish on it, and we're going to let this dry in the same way. All right, let's go ahead and dip it in. There goes some of that camera magic. It is dry now. You can put extra finish on yours if you like, but to me, I'm satisfied with what we have here. Look at that there. Nice little ring. You can sand it flat if you want, or you can make it concaved. You can make it convex. I like mine's convex. And hey, what a nice deal. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and as thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel.